Welcome to C# for Crestron programming.
In this tutorial, our objective is to learn the power of methods within C# programming. We will learn how a small group of reusable code can carry out a single task. We will learn how to pass data, also known as parameters, into methods. Once we create the method, we can use or call this method many times instead of rewriting the code, making us more efficient programmers. Methods help us modularize our code. Think of function calls within Simple Plus. This is very similar. Notice the general syntax for a method: modifier, type, name. Let us demonstrate this concept with a console app.NET Framework project. I created a basic project called Test Method and added some comments right after the namespace, Test Method, to indicate what our code is doing. Create 5 methods, with or without parameters, then create a new instance of the program class within main, and then call these methods within the main method, which is the entry point to our program. Remember the generic syntax for defining a method: modifier, type, name, open close parenthesis. Generally, the method names are written in Pascal notation. If it is just one word, capitalize the first letter. Then, within a block with 2 curly braces, we code. In this case, we just use console.writeLine method within a message within double quotes to indicate what the method should display when it is called. First method with no parameters. We will finish our method declarations with 4 more methods. As you recall from previous tutorials, the .NET method under the console class Now, under static void main method, call each method, with or without a parameter. First, let us instantiate a new class, or create new instance of class program. Program p equal to new program. Then p.test to call our first method without any parameters. Next, p.test and pass an integer value, 10. Next, p.test hello Crestron world as a string value. Next, p.test with an integer value of 25 and string value CTI rocks. Next, p.test with a string. We will call it SumString and an integer value of 10 as a parameter. Finally, console.readLine to hold the console window until we click the Enter key on the keyboard to exit. Notice the order of the input parameters, such as int string or string int. This is called method overloading, which we explain in another tutorial. Method overloading is essentially multiple methods with the same name and different parameters, also called different signatures. The method overloading can be very useful in polymorphism, which we will discuss in another tutorial.
Thank you for watching.